Fix or repair daily. What is wrong with my Fiesta now? The list just seems to be never ending. Been on holiday for 2 weeks. I've come back. I've decided to start the car. I've tried to start the car and this happens. So I can't really get a good angle of this, but this is what happens when I try and start the car. I'm not sure if you could hear that. It just turns over. In the space of about 2 hours, I've been told the cam belt's never been changed. The engine doesn't start. Now, I'm no mechanic. It's turning over, so the battery seems to be okay. I believe that means it's fueling or sparking issue. Not 100%. But if you know anything about cars and engines, what should I try and check? Should I try and take the spark plugs out? If I take the spark plug out, should I be able to see it sparking if I then try and start the car again? Or do I have to get like a special light or something to be able to see that? Again, not mechanically minded at all. Is there a way I can see that it's fueling correctly? Have just noticed my coolant is very, very low as well. So maybe we got a coolant leak as well, which is all good fun. Whatever you do, don't buy a Ford. But what you should do is hit that follow button because we're trying to